As AI continues to advance, the competition to attract and develop top AI talent is heating up around the world. But which countries currently lead in AI research, education, and skills? United States remains dominant in AI research and development. The United States is widely seen as the global leader in AI research and development. The country accounts for over 50% of total AI investment globally. Key factors driving AI dominance in the U.S. include abundant funding and investments. The U.S. attracts more private AI investment than any other country, with tech giants like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, IBM, and Amazon pouring billions into developing and commercializing AI. Top universities and research labs. Institutions like Stanford, MIT, Carnegie Mellon, UC Berkeley, and national labs conduct pioneering AI research and churn out talented graduates. Concentration of tech talent. Silicon Valley and other U.S. tech hubs have a critical mass of elite AI researchers, engineers, and entrepreneurs. China ramping up investments to close the gap. China has emerged as a rising AI power, though it still lags the U.S. overall. However, China is rapidly catching up through major investments and policy support. The Chinese government has made AI a top priority with its Made in China 2025 plan and is funding new AI research centers and projects. Chinese tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are plowing billions into AI R&D and acquisitions. China is seeking to repatriate top AI talent educated in the West back home through lucrative incentives. The number of AI patents and papers from China has surged in recent years, though quality lags leading Western institutions. Access to vast datasets from China's huge population provides an edge in areas like facial recognition. Canada punching above its weight in AI skills. While smaller than the AI superpowers, Canada has developed strong capabilities in AI research and skills. Toronto and Montreal have become major AI hubs, with top universities like University of Toronto, McGill, and technical institutes. Homegrown AI pioneers like Yoshua Bengio and Jeffrey Hinton provide academic leadership. Major U.S. tech companies have established Canadian outposts to tap AI talent, with Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Uber, and others locating there. The Canadian government has also made AI skills development a priority with investments in education, immigration policies targeting AI talent, and institutes like the Vector Institute. United Kingdom seeks to harness its academic prowess. The UK has a long history of breakthroughs in computer science and AI research. Its advantages today include elite universities including Oxford, Cambridge, University College London, and Imperial College that conduct leading-edge research. Influential figures like Demis Hassabis at DeepMind and Dame Wendy Hall pushing advances in AI. Home to AI pioneers like Alan Turing. Government funding aims to capitalize on academic strengths in AI, including new institutes, PhD scholarships, and industry partnerships. The race for AI supremacy will likely intensify as more countries establish national strategies. But for now, the US, China, Canada, and UK appear best positioned to lead the ongoing AI revolution worldwide.